Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Iona, local and long distance movers near me. There are so many options for your move you might want, such as packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When it's time to relocate for a job to be closer to family or for any other reason, we can help. Whether it's a move to one state or over several states away, our team is on the job. We take the stress out of the moving process so you can worry about the more important things. An Idaho moving company provides plenty of options and benefits for a local move. Sure, it's a shorter distance, but the workload is still rather large. Imagine all the things you need to pack up and load into a moving truck. Now imagine hiring professionals to do the loading for you, or even the packing and unloading. When you choose 3 men and a truck, you get a team ready to streamline your local move. We know how to make sure things go smoothly on your moving day, and if your move will take you 5 days to complete, we can get it done in one afternoon. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Iona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.